This is 2017 AP Calculus AB Practice Exam. Free response question number 2, calculator active question. And then they give you the graph, and then you have a function A, and then function B over here. During the time interval from 0 to 4.5, water flow into 10A at the rate AT, and give you this function. Liter per hour. During the same time interval, water flows into tank B at the rate of the B of a T, liter per hour. Both tank are empty at the T equal to 0. The graph of a Y AT and the graph of the Y BT shown in the figure above intersect at T equal to K and T equal to 2.416. 2.416 is here, K is right here, is 2.416 here. Alright, so now we are talking about question 2 at C, section C and D. The area of a region bounded by the graph of a y a of t and y b of t for k, the time between k to 2.14 is 14.470. How much water is in tank B at the time t equal to 2.14? So let's look at the graph. Alright, so it says that K is right here, and then to 2.416 is 14.470. So the graph is the area bounded region by the graph y equal to a of t and b of t from k to 2.416 is 14.470. So that means this area here is 14.470. So they are looking for how much the water in the 10B is 10B here at the time equal to 2.416. So they are looking for the area of this here. This is 10B, the value in here, the area here, under the curve of a B from 0 to 2.416. So what we need to do is finding the whole area here and minus here and adding this area. And then we got this area here, which is this area, is what we want. Okay? Alright, so find this area first. So that will be find the area from K is 0.892 to 2.416, and A function A T and then dt, and we can use calculator to find that. So that is the area from this area here, the whole thing. And after that we minus 14.470. Then we added this, then we got this area, and then we add in this area. Okay, so now we find it in the calculator. Go math 9 from 0 to 0.892 to 2.416, and then the function is, you go alpha chase 1 Always put your function on the graphing calculator, and you save in there, so it's easy to do. So it's 44.97498. 44.498. 44.498. Okay, and after that we have the whole area here. After that we minus this part, and we get this part. All right, so 44.498 and minus 14.470, and then plus this part here. Here's a constant 20 point, let me see, from the part B is 20.5 here. No, here is 20 point. The point here is, no, this is 0.892, and this is 20.5. So you multiply, adding the area over here will be multiplied 0.892 times 20.5. Right, and then that is the area from here and goes here. Okay, so use the calculator again. And I have a 48.314. This answer is 48.314. That is the answer, but we need to put in a unit. Unit will be, oh, they don't have a unit, so just like that. Okay. No, they do. Have a liter. Okay. So I need to write the answer there. So let's say at T equal to 2.416, tank B contains 48.314 liters of water. That's it. And then let's go to the part D. Part D, during the time interval 2.7 to 4.5 hours, the rate at which water flows into tank B is modeled by W function. Liter per hour is the difference W of T minus A of T increasing or decreasing at the time T equal to 3.5, and show your work and lead to your answer. So if you want to know the TW, the difference between WT and AT is increasing or decreasing, you need to take derivative of that. If the derivative of the function differences of these two functions here is greater than 0, let's say is D function. So D function, the derivative of a D function at the 3.5 is equal to W derivative of the W over 3.5 minus a derivative of a minus 3.5 is greater than 0, then is increasing. And if it's less than 0, then it's decreasing. Okay, so that will be very clear now. We do d 3 times equal to 3.5, and then we do put in the calculator, right? Okay, we put in the calculator w, so put in the w here, y, go to the y, and then clear on the y2. I put 21 minus math fraction 30x divided by x minus 8 raised power of 2. Alright, so now we go to math into derivative. So it's w derivative, go to derivative, it's 8 dx, and then it'll be y, w is y2, so go alpha trace, and it's y2, and dx. So we have a negative 0.72827, and then minus, and take derivative of alpha, oh no, x, alpha trace 1 and dx. Oh no, I need to put 3.5 here. I forgot to put 3.5 here. Alright, let's do again. X alpha trace 2 and then 3.5. Okay, it's negative 3.786 minus, and then do math 8 x alpha trace 1 x is equal to 3.5. It's minus negative 2.643, and then we want to see is negative or positive. Negative or positive. Negative 3.786 minus negative 2.643. So it's negative 1.143. So is at hand, so it's negative. So it's decreasing. Okay. So let's write the sentences. The difference WT minus AT, A of T, decrease decreasing at T equal to 3.5, and then that's it. This question is 2 points. So if you have W prime at 3.5 minus A prime at 3.5 is less than 0, then you have a 1 point, and you have a conclusion, and you have another point. All right, thank you for watching.